Okay, bye. Takes God heart. I repeat my thought. Don't give all just because God heart. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Today's news. Some international news. German foreign minister visits Ukraine. Pledge continues both. Canada will scrap tax that prompted Trump to suspend trade talks. China is not our motherland, says Taiwan. Now some sports news. Shubham Gill's second century puts India on which victory Samriddhi Mahajan become world number one in ICC ODI ranking. Weather report. Light rain in Solan Mandi and Kandla. On 7th July 2025, thunderstorm late Sunday night through Monday afternoon in Shimla.
Good morning everyone. My name is Rikshika Sharma. My name is Dipali. My name is Akshay Bhandari. My name is Mani. My name is Rihanna. My name is Shivangi. Today we are presenting our kids' best friends. There were 4 friends: circle, square, rectangle and triangle. One day each of them a fight between who is the best circle cat. I am a best. I am round and beautiful. I am a sharp edges. Children used to draw
smiling face with circle.
With circle. Refuse with the circle, square then set.
I am the best. I have 4 sides and all of them are equal in size. I look very beautiful. Children eat many sweets in my shape, so I am the best.
After listening to this, triangle said loud in voice, I am the best. Just look at me. I am 3 sides. Children draw mountains in my shape. Children eat yummy snacks in my shape. So I am the best. Listening to 3 friends, rectangle laughed and said,
Of course not. None can be better than me. I have 4 sides. 2 are equally long and 2 are equally short. Children enjoy biscuits and chocolates in rectangle shape. They also use so many things in my shape. I am the best.
What will happen now? The friends could not decide who is the best. They asked the fourth person they meet. After some time, they meet the star. She told their fight the star was white. She thought for a while. Then she said,
All of you are friends. Then why should you fight? Let me tell you something very important. Do you know what you could do if we were together? You can create most beautiful pictures and patterns. Just look around. We find amazing designs in all the shapes. So stop fighting. Together we all can create wonders.
the friends realized their mistake. They promised each other could not fight. They are friends forever.
Thank you.
Rishma asked in third class today. Word being presented by class third A. Word excitement, meaning utsaha. Sentence I am so excited.
I am so excited.
Good morning. Today our friends Daisy and Shreya are going to celebrate their birthday. Let's wish them together.
Happy birthday to you. Bless you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
Good morning everyone. My name is Rishma. I study in third class. I want to become police officer. Thank you for celebrating my birthday.
Good morning, friends and dear teachers. My name is Shnayakonda. I study in class 3rd. I want to become two army officers.
I want to become.
I want to become army officer. Thank you for celebrating my birthday.
To the